satellite and drone-based crop monitoring. Hello, everyone. Agriculture today is entering a new era, one powered by artificial intelligence, satellite technology, and drones. Traditional farming methods, which rely heavily on manual observation, are no longer sufficient to handle modern challenges such as climate variability, rising input costs, and sustainability requirements. This is where digital agriculture becomes essential. Satellite monitoring plays a major role in modern farm management. Systems such as Sentinel-2 and Landsat provide continuous, large-scale crop observation. These satellites measure vegetation health using scientific indicators like NDVI, which shows how well crops are growing. For large farms, especially in countries like Australia, satellite data helps monitor thousands of hectares efficiently. In New Zealand, it supports pasture management for livestock systems, while in the UK it assists in meeting environmental compliance standards. Alongside satellites, drones bring precision at the field level. They capture ultra-high-resolution images that reveal crop stress, nutrient deficiencies, and irrigation problems. Farmers can identify specific weak zones instead of treating the entire field. This approach reduces fertilizer waste, saves water, and lowers production costs. Artificial intelligence is the system's brain. AI analyzes images from satellites and drones to detect patterns invisible to the human eye. It can identify early disease signs, predict yield outcomes, and provide irrigation scheduling recommendations. This shifts farming from reactive decisions to data-driven precision management. The benefits are significant. Farmers gain improved productivity, reduced chemical usage, better resource efficiency, and stronger environmental sustainability. AI systems also support climate resilience by predicting weather risks and crop performance. However, challenges remain. High technology costs, data interpretation skills, and regulatory policies around drone operations need attention. Despite this, the future of agriculture clearly points toward automation, smart sensors, and real-time farm dashboards. In conclusion, satellite and drone-based AI monitoring systems are transforming agriculture into a smarter, more sustainable industry. These technologies are not just innovations, they are becoming essential tools for ensuring food security and efficient farming in the modern world. Thank you.